Installing a kill switch, a new kill switch that matches and looks cool. Installing a new kill switch. Old one, new one. And this one fits right here. Ta-da! You can see, I've removed the old one. The switch now matches the color of the bike, and it saves a little space for whatever extras I want to throw on. For the actual wiring, I disconnect the old one, I reconnect the new one. Just have to place that in there. There we go. I'm going to crimp it so it doesn't come out, and then I'm going to use heat shrink to go over top of this to seal everything up and tie everything up afterwards. So as you can see, I taped up the wiring. I didn't have any heat shrink to go over top of it that would be big enough. And I tied it out of the way so it doesn't get pinched by the triple trees. Looks good, matches, beautiful. The 1987 Honda CR500 Widowmaker.